Hello everyone, this is Nana and welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing, and today we are going to create a female style logo design. It's a feminine logo design basically, and you can use this sort of logo design in your business startup. For example, if you want to create an online shop, if you want to go for the any small business startup, or if you want to start a blogging, then you can also use these sort of logo design. It's a vector border logo that you can use it with your name or the business name. So with this is very trendy, and most of the bloggers are using these similar style of logo design. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking this ellipse tool here and dragging a simple ellipse, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm creating a brush to design the vector borders. So this is the simple ellipse that I've just created, and now you can just remove this stroke color from here, and I only want to use the fill color right now. And here you can use this pen tool, and now convert anchor point tool, press shift C, and now just click on this anchor point, and it will convert into a sharp edge. So you can see that how pointed it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking the direct selection tool from here, and now click on it and just extend it a bit to make it more pointed. In the same way, I will just click on it here, and now I want to use this handle, that is the convert selected anchor point to smooth, to make it more smooth. And now just moving it to inward direction, so it will be look like this after doing these things. And now I'm scaling it down a bit and just stretching it to make it longer, so it will be look like this after doing this. Now I want to make it more slim. Actually, why I'm doing this, so when I will do this, then it will create more smooth lines when I will start work on the vector borders. So now it's ready to add in the brush library. To add in brush library, you have to go into the window, and here you can find brushes. You can also press F5 from from your keyboard to interact this brush library, and now simply drag this brush from here. And now you have to choose the art brush, so I will press OK here, and colorization will remain tints and shades. Direction is important, so I want to make it from left to right, and flip along. And now here is scaling it around 65%, or might be the 60, I think 65%, or might be 71%, or that will not make much difference. If if you want to keep it more slim or more thin, then you can change it later. So I want to press OK here, and you can see that your brush is added in the brushes library. And now I want to remove it from here. It has been added in the library, and now what we have to do, you need to move on to the design process. So before starting a design, I want to share some techniques with you, that just click on this pen tool, because pen brush tool will use to design the complete process. So we have to define the values here. The tolerances are very important. I want to keep it between 8.5 to 12 pixels. If I will go more than that, then it will create a more edgy sort of design, so it will not be smooth, and smoothness will remain 0% here. So I want to go with these settings. You can press OK here, and now I'm simply create this one just like this, and here you can choose this one uh, from your brushes library. And now I am just removing this fill color from here, and simply turning this stroke point to 0.25, so it will be thin like this. So you can see that. So how different is this? Now we are ready to start our design. So I'm taking this pen tool again, and now I'm going to create a simple design like this. And here you can create, it all depends upon your uh, creativity. How do you want to move with this, and how do you want to create your design? I want to create a little soft version of this design, because I want to make in a using in a logo design, so it will remain a soft one, so it will be look like this. After doing these things, make sure all layers are well connected and merged. So uh, I have to check this from here, and now you can adjust these things later as well. And these are the simple things that I want to do at the moment. And now what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking this and going to the object, and here you can expand appearance. And now what I'm going to do, I'm grouping it and press Ctrl C, Ctrl G, and simply right click on it like this, and right click on it and transform and reflect it to the vertical direction, so it will be look like that. But before that, what I've done, I didn't take the copy of this, so you can take a copy of this, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and then you can reflect it, then it will be create a copy like this. So this is simple, so it will be look like this now. And here I want to create another copy of this, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and now you can simply rotate it with a 180-degree angle, so you can see how it would be look like. So I want to move it down like this here. And before doing, one more thing that I want to do here, simply taking this paintbrush tool again, and now I'm simply dragging a line, a point like this here, and removing this fill color from here and turning this to 0.25, so it will be look like this. And here I'm simply making it smaller. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going into the effect. Here you can go into the transform, and I want to transform it. You can turn on the preview mode here to create a transform effect. And now I want to create a copy. I think 4 or 5 will be enough for this. And now you can give it an angle, so you can see how the design is forming. Here I want to choose this one, so you can see how. So I want to increase this one, and now I want to make it 0 and going here again, so you can adjust the point as per your requirements. So I want to go with the OK here, and now simply go into the object. Here you can expand it, and now I want to expand it again, and here you can ungroup it. Here you have seen the copy of this, so I want to remove this one from here, and here I want to make it smaller and keep it in the middle. Press Ctrl G, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and then you can move it down like this. So this is very simple and easy way to create these sort of a logo design. And now what I'm going to do, I'm simply giving it a color. So you can choose, you can go into your swatch library from here, gradients. Here you can choose the pastels. I want to use this color from here, and click on it, and it will be look like this. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, I want to keep it in the middle like here, and here you can give it a name like Alexa photography. Increase the size of your text if you want, and you can create some character spacing here. I want to go with the 100. I want to remove it from here. Alexa Stewart is the main name. Control V. Now you can scale it down, take it here, and if you want you can also change the font. If you want, then you can change the font as well, whatever the font that you want, keep it here. I want, as I'm working on the, so I want to use this one, but it all depends on you. If you want to create some another font, then you can also use that. I want to create some more character spacing in the photography, so I think it will be around 400. So you can see how it will be looking like. Now you can simply take it here in the middle, and I want to convert it into the outlines, and here you can simply turn the color from here like this. So it will be looking like this here. If you want, you can change it to white as well, or if you want, then you can use the same color. It's all depend upon you how do you want to go with this logo design. So this is very simple and very easy way to do, to create these sort of logo design that you can easily use it in your blogs, or for a small business, for personal branding, in your resume, or whatever you want to do. This is very simple and elegant style of logo design, then you can use it for your concept. Thank you so much for watching, and I will come back to you another tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.